Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. In this video, I'm going to share you how to cut and stitch a yoke nighty. For that, we need 3 meter printed cotton fabric. I'm going to share you how to do foldings in it. Firstly, fold the fabric by half in length, then by half in width. Here we have 4 layers. Firstly, I'll show the draft in the paper. So fold this by half in length. Then fold it by half in width. Similar to this, I have folded this fabric. Now let's start marking. Firstly, leave some half inch space and draw a straight line. From this point, mark 52 inch, which is the length of my nightwear, which includes seam allowance. So now I'm going to cut it. In my measurement, shoulder is 6.5 inch. My neck width point is 2.5 inch. Mark half inch down for shoulder slope. Then join this with the neck width point. So from this point, mark 7.5 inch. Join these points. From the shoulder, mark 10 inch. Extend these points. From here, mark 1 inch and draw a back armhole curve. My front neck depth is 5.5 inch. From here, mark 1 inch, then join this with the center of the neck. My back neck depth is 3.5 inch. And draw a round neckline for this. Now I'm going to cut it. Firstly, I'll cut the back armhole under the back neck. Now separate the back portion. And trim only the front neck under the yoke part. With this front portion cutting is complete, now I have taken the back portion. Mark 13 inch, your chest measurement plus 3 inch. From this point till hip, draw a slight curve. Now I'm going to cut it. Place the yoke portion like this and mark the chest measurement. Now trim the excess fabric. Now I'll show you how to trim the sleeves. For that, I have taken the leftover fabric. Fold the fabric by half in width. Then fold it one more time. I have only less fabric for sleeves, so I am attaching some extra pieces for the sleeves. I have taken 2 layers. Fold the fabric like this. So I'll attach this extra piece with the sleeves on both the sides. So place the fabric exactly like this by leaving half inch space for stitching. From this point, mark 6 inch as sleeve length. Sleeve bottom round is 7.5 inch. Extend these points. From this point mark 3 inch and from here mark 1 inch. Now draw a back sleeve. Join these 2 points. Now I am going to cut it. So your sleeves looks like this, and place the extra pieces like this and make a stitch. Now cut the front sleeve by drawing half inch inwards on one side. Now I am cutting it. With this cutting is complete. Now I'll show you how to stitch. Firstly, I have taken a front portion, yoke part. Place the fabric like this and make a stitch by leaving half inch space at the neck. Now I am making a stitch at the wrong side of the fabric. I have finished attaching. Now I'll trim the excess fabric and turn the leftover fabric to the wrong side of the fabric. Make small cuts all over the neck. Now turn it. This is how it looks. Make a top stitch. I have taken a back portion. I'll finish the neckline by using the bias tape. Place the bias tape at the right side of the fabric and make a stitch. Now I have taken the front portion. I'll show you how to attach this yoke part with the front portion. Mark the center and from the center mark 3 inch on both the sides and make small frills up to this point and make a stitch here. Then place the yoke portion exactly like this and make a stitch. I have pinned the fabric, you can see it. So now I'll make a stitch. Make a top stitch now. This is how it looks. Now I'll place the back portion on the front portion. I'll finish the neckline after attaching the shoulder. So make a stitch here. Always make a double stitch at the shoulder and also overlock the edges. Now finish the back portion neckline by folding it twice and make a stitch at the inner edge. I have finished attaching both the shoulders. Now I'll show you how to attach the sleeves. Place the center of the sleeves at the shoulder and make a stitch like this for both the sides. Now I'll attach the excess fabric with the sleeve. Now I'll attach the sleeves with the nightwear. Fold the bottom of the sleeve twice and make a stitch. Similarly, I'll finish attaching the other sleeve. You can see I have finished attaching both the sleeves. Now I'll attach the sides starting from the sleeve round till the bottom. I'll make a stitch for both the sides. Similarly, I'll finish the other side. Now I'll fold the bottom twice and I'll make a stitch at the inner edge. So it's so simple to stitch at home. You can do within 10 minutes of time. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. With this, my stitching is complete. This is how it looks.